cardboard pillow, painted skies. No one looks him in the eyes. Street lights flicker like old regrets. Another promise that time forget. He hums a song no one can hear, lost between the smoke and fear. Shadows in the rain, wash it down again. Every face a stranger, every dream a chain. He's running but standing still, like thunder without a hill. Shadows in the cracked hands holding yesterday, holds the price he can't afford to pay. Voices echo off the wall, no one listens when he falls. Skyscrapers hum like empty prayers, taxis bleed their yellow flares. The night remembers what the day forgets, a heartbeat under the bayonet. Shadows in the rain, wash it down again. Every face a stranger, every dream a chain. He's running but standing still, like thunder without a hill. Shadows in the rain No sign, no savior, no easy way out. Every silent scream becomes a shout.